Hey folks, Pat the Gutter Rat here. Today we are taking a look at this giant, I mean absolutely giant, metal roof with a big gutter system. We have some inherent problems with these metal roofs. First of all, this is 60-foot projection from the ridge to the gutter. It sheds a lot of volume. Especially since it's smooth, there's nothing to impede the water flow. So you just have a massive amount of water rolling off this thing at once. It's a low slope roof, so some of the inherent problems we have with this is the gutter itself is higher than the edge of the roof. So if these are clogged, that water is coming in under here. All you have is a piece of metal framing, and you're supposed to have a rubber closure strip. But after about 15 years, they deteriorate. They did this roof backwards. They coated it before they did any kind of prevention of water intrusion. So here we are, and what we're doing is we're sealing this edge to prevent water intrusion. But we're also fixing the joints on these gutters. And the process we do will help this revitalize this metal. We'll take care of the rust and the corrosion, and we will coat this gutter with a good silicone so it'll last. So just keep in mind that maintenance is key on these buildings. Most people just ignore these. After about 10-15 years they start developing problems. So make sure you give us a call. We love to fix these buildings.